I'm working on a 2014 Acura MDX. This one has been in an accident. All airbags were replaced. Now all that's left is to reset the airbag module because the light is on. Airbag module is located behind this black cover. You remove it by popping it out from the back end here, and then there's some tabs there that you need to slide this panel back for it to pop out, and the module's located right there. There's two blue plugs on it. Just push down on these and pull on this bottom tab. Push down and pull to open it like that, and that releases the plug from the connector. And then the module is held down with 3 screws. They are T27s. So there's 1 bolt on this side and then 2 bolts on the other side. And the other side basically has this same panel. Remove it the same way. After you get it removed, you could send it to us for reset. We charge $40 to reset airbag modules. If you send it to us, we have a 24-hour turnaround time where we reset it and send it back within 24 hours of receiving it. Alright, I'm going to get this module reset and I'll show you the end results. Alright, so I got the module reinstalled and plugged back in. Got the battery reconnected. Let's see what happens. There you go, the light went away. Let's check for codes. Now this is not the airbag module. This thing has a steering angle sensor issue, which I think it just needs calibration. We'll see after this. No fault codes, and airbag light is on, or off. If you need this, if you need your airbag module reset, like I said earlier, we only charge $40 for this service. We could do 99% of all makes and models. Feel free to visit our website below. You can see all the services that we offer. We also repair gauge clusters and other various electronics from vehicles. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.